Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what we are doing is my famous coconut rice. Okay, it's very easy to do. I add some bits and pieces to it, so it makes it's so delicious. So let's get started. Okay, I have some coconut oil in the pan, as you can see here. I'm just waiting for it to just heat up a bit. It's already melted, some of them. Okay, so what I need to do is to add some chopped red onions. Okay, so these are my red onions. I'll add that to it, and then we'll wait for it to cook. I want it to brown a bit so that I can add the rice. Right, so I want it to brown a bit more before I add my rice. It has a very nice smell when it browns. Right guys, as you can see, my onions have browned nicely and it smells really good. Okay, I'm going to add my rice. This is 4 cups of rice. I've already washed it. Okay, I just don't want the water to be in it, so trying to put every bit of the rice in it. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to just fry the rice a little bit. Okay. Right guys, so what I need to add now is to add some salt to taste. Okay, just a little bit of salt, and I have this creamed coconut sachet. Okay, you can add coconut milk if you prefer. So I'm adding 2 sachets to my rice. I just want to taste more of the coconut. It smells really good. Don't fry the rice for too long. Okay, so the next bit I need to add, I'm adding some turmeric. I need some color. Okay, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric. It's a nice yellow rice. And the next bit is to add my boiled water. Just don't add a lot of water. It depends on the rice that you're using. Okay, so I'm using the rice I'm using. I don't need a lot of water, so that's why just a little bit, just at the top, not really, just a little bit after the rice. It's not the same water as the rice, literally. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, we try to cook the rice. So what I need to do right now is to put the foil on top of it, and then you cover it. Okay, now this makes it cook quicker. And make sure you put it at a medium heat for about 10 minutes, and after I'll put it at a lower heat so that I don't want it to burn. So allow it to cook a bit at a medium heat now, and then we lower the fire to just the lowest for it to cook really nicely. Right guys, it's smelling so good, so trying to just check the rice. I'll just wait for about 10 minutes, so I'll just cover it again. Okay. I've really lowered the fire, so it's just really at the lowest, the very lowest fire, so that it won't burn. Right guys, so our rice is cooked. As you can see here, it's nice and fluffy. So what I'm going to do here, if you have kids, you know that you have to add a bit of veg to everything that you do so that they get enough veg. So I'm adding some sweetness to it. I'm adding some carrots and some peas. It gives it a little bit of color as well. So I'll just cover this for about 5 minutes and then my rice will be done. So guys, our rice is done. As you can see here, it's really nice and it tastes really good. Okay, so this is my special yellow rice, coconut rice, and it tastes delicious. So guys, this is our rice, our coconut rice. Okay, our yellow rice with some turmeric, with some veg, and it tastes really delicious. I'm having mine with some tomato sauce at the end, the side there. So if you like this recipe guys, please give me a thumbs up and please put on your subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified. Thank you so very much for just coming along with me, and try this recipe because it's very tasty. Okay, thank you and may God bless you. Bye.